Yeah, well, so in the yesterday class, I briefly explained you about the course. Okay, so not technically. So the basic things. What is this course? Okay, so duration and what are the things we are going to discuss in this course, and what is the main purpose of the course. Okay, so your goals and all I have explained, right? So today, so we will jump into the main technical subject. Okay, so today onwards you can keep effort, guys. Okay, and we have practical sessions also. Okay, so this entire course should be on the practical things only. Okay, because after getting the job you will get a task, so you have to work on those tasks. Okay, so completely practicals only. Okay, so I hope everybody has created their account on the AWS, because AWS there only we are practicing our things. Okay, so virtual lab. So I think uh, Chandrapriya, have you created your account? Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you should let me know, right? Okay. Okay, we will do one thing. So end of this today's session, so we will work around the issues whatever you are facing. Okay, not only you, other peoples as well. Okay, so I will show you how to register and how to set up your set up your lab bundle. Okay, fine, fine. So now, so before going to start the technical things, right? So today agenda is Linux history. Okay, so before jumping into the this Linux, so our what is our course name, guys? Excellent. So this is our course. Okay, so let me write here. Okay, so Linux administration. So before going to this Linux administration, so we will take a look on the Linux history. Okay, so history nothing but a, so what are the things behind this your Linux? Okay, so just so we will be becoming the administrators, right? So you should know about your Linux history. Okay, so that is the purpose. But this thing nobody will ask you in the interviews and all. Okay, so this is the general information, but you should know as a Linux administrator, right? So you should know the small history about this Linux. Okay, so this is the operating system. Okay, so this is the operating system. So there are many operating systems, guys, like Windows. So this is commonly people are familiar with this word Windows. Windows is the one of the operating system. So where it is installing means it may be installing on the laptops, okay, and desktops, okay. So or even we can install on the mobiles as well, okay. So similarly, we have the another operating system called as the Linux. Okay, so we will discuss later about Linux, where we can install on the and all. And now there is one more operating system which is called the Mac. Okay, so Mac you can like Mac means iOS. Okay, so this is also one of the operating system. So where you can install means this also you can install on the laptops, desktops. Okay, tabs. Okay, even mobiles. So all areas you can. So even you can install on the tabs as well. Okay, so these all are electronic devices only. Okay, so even Windows also you can install on the tabs. So and there is one more operating system. So I hope everybody using mobiles, right? So what is the operating system in the mobiles, guys? Excellent, guys. So this is also one of the operating system, Android. Okay, this is also operating system, but Android it won't as of now won't support for the laptops, desktop. It will support only the mobiles and tabs. Okay, so mobiles and tabs only. So likewise, So likewise, Linux also one of the operating system. So where we can install means we can install it on, okay, so we can install it on laptops, desktops, even there is no mobiles at this moment. Okay, so laptops and desktops. Okay, so mainly in the real-time projects, we are installing on the servers. So this is the important. So here, this is where we are working in the real-time projects. Okay. So server nothing but it's kind of some computer system only. Okay, but which is having the high configurations generally. Okay, so we will discuss. So the history in the sense, so before this Linux there is one more word which is called as a Unix. If you observe my screen properly, okay, if you observe my screen carefully, there is a word I written here, Unix basic commands. I didn't written the Linux basic commands. Okay, so here if you observe, I written Unix basic commands. So because Unix is, it's an organization. Okay, so it's an organization. Unix is an organization. Inside this Unix, okay, so there are four operating systems are. One is AIX, second one is the Linux, okay, third one is the Solaris, then finally fourth one is a HP Unix. So these are the real operating systems which comes under the Unix organization. Okay, so here the most of the people think that Unix also one of the operating system, but really Unix is not an operating system. Unix is an organization. So inside this, under this Unix organization, there are four flavors. So these are the real operating systems: AIX, Linux, Solaris, and all. Okay. So this year, these operating systems are only supporting on the servers. Okay, supporting on the servers. Okay, but Linux along with the servers you can install on the either laptops or desktops also. Okay, it is the most advantages. So later we will come to know, so what are the advantages, features of the Linux and all. At this moment you just remember Linux is the operating system which is under the Unix organization. That's it. Along with this Linux you have a few more operating systems like AIX, Solaris, and HP Unix also. Okay, so just remember guys, this is the small history about the Linux administration. Okay, so Linux operating system, small history. Clear guys so far? Others? Okay, thank you. So try, so kindly response to my questions guys, because I don't want to go with only with my voice. Okay, I want to hear all of from you. Okay, so fine now. Now this is the sentence I written here. So Linux you can install on the servers. So now let me show you what is the server, how it will look like. Okay. So you just go and Google it. So servers. Just type servers, hit enter. Okay. So you can go here in the images. Servers. Okay. Server. Okay. Yes. So this is the server guys. This is the server looks like. Okay. If you observe here. So this is the server. Okay, so let me show you another tab. Okay, so these all are the servers only. So server is nothing but it's a computer system only, so nothing special. But if you compare with the normal systems, right, like normal computer or normal laptops and all, right, so it is having the high configuration. Okay, so generally if you want to buy a laptop, so what are the specification you are looking guys normally? So now I want to, let's suppose I want to buy a laptop. Okay, so I want to get laptop. The specifications or configurations we are checking, right? Even if you want to buy a mobile also, so what are the configurations you are looking for? RAM, am I right? RAM you are checking, and hard disk, you are checking, and in mobile, yes, storage, hard disk both are same. Okay, so storage, okay, and display you are checking, display, okay, and yes, CPU, Intel i5, i6, i7, i3, these and all. These are the comes under CPU, okay, or processor. So likewise, you are checking these configurations, right? So in the same way, so server also having the same configuration, but which is if you compare with the normal laptop or desktop, which is having high configuration. So that is what server. Okay, so you can go and check here. If you can Google it, so these all are the multiple servers. Okay, so normally these servers are in the real time also you have the this kind of setup. Okay, so this combination of all these servers are calling as a farm area, okay, which is known as a data center. Okay, all multiple servers you are placing in one place, that place called as a data center. Okay, just remember, so many servers are placing in one place, so there only, so now we are going to take care of these servers. Okay, so server nothing but it's a computer system only. Now we are going to take care of that server. Okay, so just remember, later we will deep dig. Okay, so now server we are going to taking care of, we are taking care of these servers. Okay, so generally computers, this is like a hardware, right? This is like a hardware. So hardware means, so you cannot interact with it directly. So normally, if you go and check any hardware, right? So computer hardware, like let me show you here. Servers hardware or computer hardware. Let me write in this way. Computer hardware. See, let me open any one of the image. Yeah. So if you observe here, I think this font is very small. Yeah. So normally hardware in the sense same CPU, memory, hard disk, and your keyboard and mouse. These and all comes under the hardware. Okay. So hardware normally you cannot interact with it. So if I say hi means it won't reply. Okay. Correct. So normally even your mobile also, if you buy the mobile without any software, you cannot speak with it. You cannot interact with it. Correct. In the same way, here also, so directly we are not dealing with the hardware. Okay. So definitely you require the software. That is what our OS. Okay. So that is what our OS. With the help of the OS, we are handling the hardware. So hardware nothing but here servers only. Okay. So operating system, what it will do? It will interact with your hardware and it will fulfill your needs. So generally, normally why we are using the mobiles or laptops generally. So if you want to make a call, so if you want to interact with your friends, or if you want to send a email, or if you want to take a selfies or pictures, videos, so many nowadays so many purposes people are using these gadgets, right? So computer gadgets. So in the same way, so real time also we are using few purposes we are using these servers. Okay. So later I will tell you what purpose are all. So in the same way, we are also here using the servers. So server nothing but a hardware only. So this, if you want to, if you want to deal with your hardware, right? So definitely you require this software. Okay. So here, with the help of the software only, we are dealing with the servers. Okay. So now, how to interact with? So definitely you require this operating system. So as I explained here, you can pick up this Linux. Okay, because this Linux is supporting on the servers only. Of course, this Windows also will support on the servers, but that is different concept actually. But here our course is Linux administration, right? So that's why you can keep concentration on the Linux only. So even Windows also supporting on the servers. Okay, but Linux administration is our course, so we are concentrating on the Linux only. Okay, so that's why we are using the operating system here, Linux. Okay, clear? Fine. Now the server now how to purchase the server. So normally if you want to purchase a laptop, right? So how much cost it will be normally? Definitely it will be around 30K, correct? 30K, right? So if you want to purchase a new laptop means minimum you should keep the 30K. In the similarly, and what may be the companies in the laptop? So there is a Dell is there, Lenovo, HP, okay. So Asus. So there are so many companies, so many vendors available in the market. Okay. In the similarly, even if you want to buy a server also, so minimum 2 lakhs required. Okay, so even in the servers also vendors are there. Dell servers are there. Okay, so IBM servers are there. Okay, PowerEdge, PowerRack servers are there. Okay, so many companies also available. Now, now tell me guys, we definitely we need to practice it, right? So if you want to practice, definitely you need a server, right? So but 2 lakhs is the big amount. We can't spend it, right? So that is the reason we are going to the AWS. Okay, Amazon Web Services, where we are creating the servers, okay, and installing the operating system Linux. Then we are practicing our Linux administration stuff. That's it. So that is the reason. Yesterday I asked you all to create a account in the AWS. Now let me show you the AWS, how it will be. So just type AWS console. Okay, so login is optional. You can trigger this. So you can click on this page. So this is what our AWS looks like. AWS console. Okay, so here, so right side you will get a sign in page. Okay, so here the sign in page. So click on this one. Then you can register. Now I will tell you guys how to register. I already logged in. So that is the reason directly it is showing the console home. So let me log out and I will show you now. Let me sign out. Now following with me. Okay. So I hope everybody joined the session with the laptops only. So try to open the AWS console and let me know. So right away we will register our accounts. Everybody. Is it okay guys? For all? So Mushrab, Mansoor, Harsha, Prem, okay, all others all try to follow with me. Okay. Yeah. So here you can click on this sign in console. Let me share you the link also if you want. How can I share you? Let me keep in the chart. Okay. So we have a chart window here. I'm keeping the link here. Just type AWS console. Okay. Then follow. Okay. So this is the page looks like. Let me share this URL also. Or else you can directly click on this link. So it will takes you to the AWS link. Okay. Yeah. Now come down here. Come down again. You are not taking on. Okay. Ah, this is the link, guys. This is the link. Okay. Second link I am giving you. So this is the link. You can click on and it will take you to the register page. Okay. So here clearly showing right. Create a new AWS account. So click on this. Can someone provide your email ID? I will register behalf of yourself because I already having the account. Can someone ping your email ID in the chat? I will register for you. Guys, anyone ping your email ID? Harsha, can you provide your email ID? I will create for you. Okay, okay, super. Okay, very good, Harsha. So I'm giving this one. Okay, so I'm giving like name as a Harsha, all in caps. Okay, Harsha. Then can you check your email? You will get a verification code and give me the code. Similarly, you can try other guys. Okay, provide your email ID and get the verification code over your email and pass it here. Are you doing, guys? All others? I need response, guys. Mansoor, Mushraf, others. Okay, yeah, 598263. Okay, very good. Yes, it's validated. Now I am setting one password. Later I will share you. Okay. Okay. So set your password, then continue. Publicly known data set leaked. Oh, you have to keep the high security password like uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and numerical words, guys. Okay. So let me try this. Yeah, now it is allowing. Okay. So Arsha, I'm sharing you the password. Okay. So this is your password. You can. Okay. So this is our password. Now here actually, as I told yesterday, this is completely 12 months free package. Okay. So you no need to pay anything, but limited services only they will provide because terms and conditions are applied. Okay. So now let me write his name, full name. Okay, so VADDIHARSH Varsha. Now tell me your mobile number, Harsha. One second. Yes, 9177517961. Okay, so okay, Harsha Vardhan. Harsha Vardhan. Okay, okay, okay. So country, region, India. Okay, okay. These are all optional. Okay, or else I will give. You are from Palsamudram, right? Yeah. So I 515241. Okay. Okay. So provide your name, mobile number, and your address. Then click on this checkbox and continue. Okay. Something went wrong. The account type is required. Oh, okay. Where we can select. Okay. So here. See account type. So you can select the personal type, guys. Okay. So personal only you can select here. Okay. Now click on continue. Fine. So until this, have you finished, guys? Others? Priya, Mushraf, others? Others? Have you finished? Can you take the screenshot and send in the WhatsApp until here? Fine. Okay, now here, so they are initially they will deduct only 2 rupees, guys, for security purpose. Okay, so here you have to either debit card or credit card you can pass. Okay, and provide all your information here. And here PAN card is optional, so no need to provide. Okay, then see here we are at the third step. After this fourth step and fifth step very easy only. Okay, so Arsha, now onwards you can take over and finish these 3 steps. Okay, so until here you can finish and you can let me know. Okay, so most of the cases here people are getting errors. You can try with the different cards also. If you have multiple cards you can try with. So initially they are allowing only with the credit cards, but nowadays they enable the debit cards also. So now debit cards also will work, guys. See, all types of RuPay card will work. Okay, so because many people are using nowadays, that's why Mastro card. So go with SBI Mastro, or if you have any other Visa cards also you can apply. So 2 3 times you can try for this. Okay, so definitely it will allow. In case if still pending, if still facing any throwing any errors means, then let me know, I will help out. Clear? Clear all? Yeah, thank you, guys. So now I already registered my account, so now I will tell you how to log in. Okay, so AWS console login, and click on this first link. I'm a AWS Amazon.com console. Okay, so this is the link. Let me share you. Let me save the link here. Okay, so this is the link where we need to log in. Okay, so click on this sign in button and provide your username and password. That's it. Okay, so by default it is taking my username and password. Okay, so that is the reason. Oh, it is going for the Arshana. Okay, so let me sign out. Let me sign out and I will re-log in again. Okay, let me sign in again. Any questions so far? All clear? How to set up the account, how to register the AWS? So don't hesitate to ask the questions, guys. Whether it is silly question or anything, if you are not sure, just speak out. That's it. Okay. So here there are 2 ways to log in actually, with the account ID or sign in with the root. So select this root and provide your email ID. Whatever you registered, right? You can provide this email ID and click on next. And this is the password you have to provide. Okay. Then sign in. It's very simple console page. Okay. So I enabled third party authentication. So I will tell you in future how to set up this also, because of the security purpose. Okay. So nowadays passwords easily we can hack it, right? So that is the reason third party high security purpose only I enabled this. Even in the Google's also, Gmail also people are enabling, right? So likewise. So this is the home page, guys. So this is the page where you are seeing all your services. So in the AWS, not only the, so why we are going for the AWS? You want to set up one server, right? You want to set up the lab, right? So that is the reason we are going for the AWS. But not only the lab purpose, not only the server creation in AWS. So not only this purpose, there are multiple services available in the AWS, but we don't want to explore all those things. But we need one server, we need to install one operating system which is Linux. Then we need to practice the all these Linux stuff. Correct. So that is the reason. So you just go and create one server. I will tell you later once you people all set up your accounts right, registered and activation right, then only I will teach you. At this moment, I already created one server. I will tell you how to log in now. Okay. So just blindly watch my screen. Okay. So don't be panic. Just watch my screen. I already created my servers and installed operating system also. Today I will just show you how to log in into the servers and how to execute the basic commands. We will discuss a few basic commands and we'll wind up the class. Okay. So let me click on this running. Currently 0 servers are running. Let me start my server. Okay, I'm inside the Mumbai. Okay, filter option removed. Okay, let me select any one of the server. Let me select and start it. Okay, so don't be panic with my steps, guys. Just watch today. So later you will come to know what I am doing now. Okay, so don't be panic. Just walk through this. So in the real time also, you might see the so many servers. Okay, so multiple servers, server 1, okay, so server 2, so likewise server 3, there are likewise, okay, so likewise you have server thousands also. Okay, so in the real time project, even in interviews also, so I told right, day by day I will teach you the real time things. Okay, so real time notes. Okay, let me keep this. So in the interview, how many servers in your project? How many servers are there in your project? See, interview question. What will be replying, guys? What you will, if I ask same question to you, what will you reply, guys? See, answer also I written here. What will you reply? That's it. In my project, we have 1,000 servers. Maybe, see, maybe other company 2,000. Yes, very good. Maybe small project means how many servers? Maybe 500. That's it. See, answer simply. See, that's what. So we are keeping 1 year experience, right? So 1 yearly, so last 1 year you worked in the company. At least you should know, right, how many servers you are handling. It's a small question, right? Logical question. If people are not answering, then easily they will identify this guy is having not genuine experience. Okay, so I will share you each and every day. I will share you the real time things. Okay, so from day one onwards, you should remember all these points, and you should prepare your own notes. Then only you will remember. Okay, don't follow with my notepad. You should prepare your own notes and keep it somewhere. Okay, daily you can read those lines, important things, especially these real time notes. Okay, real time things and all. So likewise, then only you will easily crack your interviews. Fine. So in the real time, we have multiple servers. Do you know currently in my project, in my current company project, we have 5,000 servers. Okay. So my project is a bank project. Okay. So name I don't want to explore, but my the category is bank project. Okay. So future I will tell you types of projects also, but at this moment just remember. So in my project almost 5,000 servers we have. Okay. So it's a huge project actually. Fine. Now let me go and check my server here. Yeah, it is running. Okay, so now let me go and log in. Okay, so here you should remember. So now my purpose is I want to login into the server. Login into the server. So this is my purpose now. I want to log in into a server. Okay. I want to log in into a Linux server. So this is my purpose now. Okay. So now if you want to log in, so definitely you need a username and password. Even if you want to log in a Facebook or Gmail, definitely you need a username and password, right? So similarly here also, and there is a tool called SSH tool. Okay, so this tool is the interface between you and your server. Now the Amazon server, I am using the Amazon server, right? Now I want to log in into the server, right? So directly I cannot log in. So due to that, I need one SSH tool, one tool name called as SSH. The tool name is the Putty. Okay, or you can use a terminal also. Like just remember Putty. So I know my username. Okay, so this is my username. SKTech is username. Password, I know my own password. Okay, so now these are the minimum things, prerequisites, you can say. So these are the prerequisites to log in into your Linux server. Okay, along with this, you need a server name, because this is the main destination, right? I want to log in my server. Which server? There are 1,000 servers are there. There are 5,000 servers are. Which server you want to log in? So each and every server having the unique names. Okay. So server name unique, right? Or server IP also. Server address, IP address. Okay. So here, if you go and check here, there are public IP, private IP. Two types of IPs are there. You can pick up the public IP. So now my server IP is this one. Okay. Similarly, in future also, in tomorrow also, after setting up your lab, setting up your servers and all, right, you also will get a separate IP. Okay. So now these are the my requirement, my prerequisites for this servers login. Now I will show you. So Putty, this is a small software, guys. I will tell you how to download this Putty and how to install it. It's already there in my lab. You can go and log in. Just type Putty download. Okay, so you will get a page here. So click on this first link. I will share you the link here. Okay, so this is the link, Putty link. Okay, so I will share you these notes. Don't worry. Putty link. Okay, so this is the link. Now I will teach you. So click on this download button, and so here go with the 64-bit x86. Okay, so this one you can click on. The moment if you click on, right, it will be downloading your Putty. That's it. See, it's downloading. Just double click on it, then go next. It will install the Putty. So after installation, right, so you will see this page, like this page you will see. This is the Putty, guys. This is the Putty. After installation, it will be showing like this. That's it. This is the software. Okay. So this is the tool, small tool. What is type of this tool means? This is the SSH tool. Remember. Okay. So this is the SSH tool. So here you have to provide your host name or IP. That's what I written, right? So this is the minimum requirement. Host name or IP. Let me pass my host name here. Okay. And just enter. Then it will ask from acceptance. Just click on the acceptance. Now pass your username. Okay, so what is my username, guys? What is my username here? Very good. SKTech. And the password I forgotten. So very long back I logged in my server. Okay, so just bear with me. I will log in my, let me try, we'll see. In case if you throwing error means password is incorrect. Password incorrect. There is one more method. Just bear with me. I will log in the same server and I will reset the password. Okay, so there is one more method. Thereafter, I will log in the through putty only. Okay, so bear with me, guys. So whatever I am doing right, so just ignore. Okay, so later you will come to know. I will tell you each and everything. I will tell you. Don't worry. So this is another method actually. Okay, but don't worry. I will guide you in future. Okay. Seems network is little slow today, but my voice is clear, right? For you all. Okay. Okay. Now let me reset my password. So okay, cool. Now I will tell you I have reset my password. Okay. Now I will. So this is closed. Okay. So let me close this. Now let me show you again from scratch. Open your putty. Okay, and provide your IP address. This is my IP address. Click on the open. Okay, then provide your username. Then provide your password. So password I am typing here. It won't visible, guys. Okay, but in the backend it is taking my password. See, now I have logged in. My screen is normally the tiny. It should be tiny only. Let me increase the font. Okay, now it will be easy for you. Yeah, now this is, guys, this is what a server. Now I logged in into my server. That's it. This is the way. Okay, now I will share my password, guys. So for you all, can you quickly install the putty and will you try to log in your servers? Will you do, guys? Okay, so can anyone share your screen and try to install the putty? I will guide you. Okay, no, don't try in the mobile. You should log in through laptop only. Priya, have you logged in through laptop? Can someone share your screen, guys? I will share your yeah, share your screen. I will guide you how to install the putty. Then we'll log in. Okay. So I'm passing. I'm stopping my screen. Now you can share. Will you share, Priya or Prem? Do you know how to share the screen in the Google Meet? Yeah. Please share your screen now. Other others try to follow and install the putty. Okay. Yes. Now I can see your screen. Thank you. Yeah. So go to the browser. Yeah. Type putty download. Yeah. Anywhere you can type. No issue. Putty download. So try to follow, guys, others. Okay. So select first one and again first one. No, here download putty showing right there. Yes. Here 64-bit x86 one. Yeah. Click on that. Okay. See, one file is downloading. So click on that file, or else you can go to the file explorer and downloads. Yeah, open it. Yeah, click on that. Wait. It is taking you to the installation. Wait. Click on install anyway. Not an issue. Okay. Wait. Others, Prem, Arsha, are you trying, guys? Hello? Yeah. Prem Kumar, how about you? Okay. So Prem, you are Devamani brother, right? Okay. So fine. Now Priya, you can carry on. So click on next. Click on next. Again next install. That's it. So it will install the putty into your mission. That's it, guys. Okay. That's it. Oh, Prem, you only shared the screen, huh? Okay. I thought Priya shared. Oh, okay. I thought Priya sharing. Oh, okay. Cool. That's it, Prem. That's it. So now you can search in the putty in the search in the left side bottom corner. There is a search option, right? So there you can no in your normally in the Windows button is there, right, in the left side. There you can search putty. Yeah, click on this. That's it. This is the page where you have to, okay, so where you have to log in. Now I will share the IP details. Okay, then you can log in. I will share my IP. Okay, I'm sharing over charter. So this is the username. Okay, test user, and the password I will share you. Password is root @123. Okay, so putty available, then host name, our IP. Okay, now sharing the details, so you can try to log in now. Okay, just click on open or enter. Accept this one. So first time only it will ask. Okay, now you can give your username, test user. Okay, so username is a test user. Enter, and password I forwarded. Okay, so properly you can give the password. Yeah, super. That's it. Okay, that's it, guys. This is the way to log in into your server through Putty. Okay, even real time also we are using the same Putty tool only. Okay. Okay, now you can drop off your screen. I will share. Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is the way to log in into the server. Fine. So once you set up all your accounts, right, I will tell you how to create the server, how to install the operating system, then how to log in also. Okay. So this is the way already you know. So you can try out. Okay. So temporarily I will arrange the access on my server. Okay. So later you can create your own lab. Okay. So I will create accounts for you temporarily. Okay. So until you are creating and set up all your accounts and activating, then you have to create your own lab, then you can practice. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, so I thought like we'll explore few basic commands, but don't worry, slowly we will pick up the things, and we will start our journey. Okay, so that's it for today. So let me recap the today's session. So I explained the history of the Linux, okay, and few basic things about the operating system and the two types of the operating systems and where we are installing, okay, and the lab setup, the servers things and all, okay, and the configuration of the server also, okay. So these and all, and in the real time how many servers you have. So this is very important question. So people intentionally they will ask to identify your to check your genuine experience or not. So this is a tricky question, you can say. Okay, so now onwards you can remember all these points. So end of the course easily you will crack your interview. Okay, fine. None. How to log in into the server? This is the way to log in. Even in real time also we are following the same guys. So we have all 1,000 servers having all the unique IPs. Okay, so wherever we want to log in, we will pick up that IP address and we will pass the username and password through putty only. Okay. Of course, we can log in into the servers in different tools also. Like SuperPutty is there, GitBash is there, CMD is there. Okay, Extreme, Mobile Extreme is there. So many other tools also. But out of those, Putty is a very popular, very familiar tool. Okay, so even you can use the same Putty only. Okay, so let me stop the recording.